Alright guys, we are here. We are at Eagle, Idaho and Firebird Raceway. We can just back up what we did last year. Would be fantastic, really. I mean, I'd like to win, but last year we made it to the finals with Ryan Martin. Ryan's car's been running great all year. He's just what I would call having a little bit of bad luck. I know how fast the car is, and it's crazy fast, so definitely a bad luck thing for him. We tested a few weeks ago and decided in this air we are absolutely all in, so we ordered some parts and hopefully they came in today. ProLine sent them. They show they have been delivered. Upgraded head, cam, rocker arms, different piston, so a lot of new goodies. We just got to track them down, and then we're gonna get busy tonight. We're gonna have to work late tonight putting heads, like I say, heads, cam, rods, pistons, rings, bearings. We're gonna do this whole thing, so we'll have a camera rolling for that. Let y'all take a look at us rebuilding this thing, and y'all get to see the first pass. We had a call out off the trailer. Definitely not doing that. Normally I would say every event ever except this one, because I'm trying to test something, I would have did that, but Justin, he picked the right time to call me out for me to decline, I guess. But with that being said, when I get this thing right, I'll see if I can call him out at an inopportune time to pay that back. So we'll see how that works out. We're gonna get it we'll get it all together and get it running good, and then give him a call out.
Jimmy Taylor?
No sir, Scott Taylor.
Okay.
This feels like a cylinder head. What's up, man? How are you?
Good, how are you?
Doing good.
If there's a Pro Charger in there, will you lift it back for me?
Basically a motor and some boxes. Now it's time to go put it together. Alright y'all, so far so good. We just ordered all this stuff last week from ProLine. I am super happy that everything got here. Pistons, they already got the rings on it for us. They already got the bearings in it. I was just going through my parts, getting ready to get bearings and rings and stuff out. These things are locked and loaded, and they're in the rack ready to roll. Makes it super easy for us here at the track. They sent everything needed to swap my motor from a 6 to a 7. So hopefully, if everything goes as smooth as this went so far, this is just going to be too easy. Maybe we should have done this a few weeks ago or a few months ago, but we really just found out, you know, with the bad air that we're sort of out of power. You know, there's not much difference between the 6 and the 7, but when you're racing door handle to door handle, a little bit is everything. So that's where we're at. We move from 6 to 7. Hopefully it pays off. Alright guys, we started getting the motor tore down. We got camp set up. We're about to get the heads off of it and put a new rack in this thing. Get it all in there. We got to change the camshaft. We got to pull the cam. So it is Thursday night. We race tomorrow, so we got a little bit of work left to do tonight, as y'all can tell. But we're gonna make it happen. We'll give y'all an update shortly.